6 cleaning tricks to keep your home clean. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos below for tips on how to make cleaning fun and less intimidating. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Yogurt. Yogurt can help transform brass that has been tarnished. Apply yogurt on rusty old keys, and they will come out looking like new. Mustard powder. Apart from being used in many cuisines, mustard also possesses some powerful cleaning properties. Apply mustard to a dirty or greasy pan and use a sponge to lift the grime and grease. Mustard also works exceptionally well as a deodorizer. If you have any container that has acquired a nasty smell from whatever was inside it before, you can sluice it with hot water and mustard powder. Leave it for half an hour. Rinse it, and you will see that the scent has been neutralized. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has been used for hundreds of years to get rid of foul odors and toxins. Together with baking soda, it can eliminate odors in your refrigerator. It can also capture unwanted smells in your closet. Place a can of activated charcoal in a recently painted room to filter volatile chemicals from the air. Potato. Remove rust using potatoes. They contain oxalic acid, which is also an ingredient in commercial cleaners. Use this natural cleaning alternative for rusty baking pans, knives, and cast iron cookware. Banana skins. Banana skins can keep plants shiny, clean and healthy because it can act as a natural moisturizer. You can also create a banana skin paste using a blender to clean silverware and other precious pieces that you have at home. The insides of the banana skin can also clean leather bags, shoes, jackets, and couches. Cornmeal. Get rid of stubborn stains in your carpets using a cleaning solution that is made of 1 cup borax and 2 cups of cornmeal. Sprinkle the mixture on the stained area of your carpet or rug. Leave it for about 1 hour and then vacuum it afterwards. Beer. Beer is also an environmentally friendly alternative to today's typical household cleaning products. Instead of using a chemical cleaning solution, you can get rid of stains caused by spilled coffee or tea on your rug or clothing using beer. Apply a few drops of beer on the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then dab it with a clean and soft cloth. Once the spot has soaked, wash it thoroughly with water and soap. Of course, don't forget to spot test the fabric first before doing anything else. You may also rub flat beer onto your furniture to restore its color and polish. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use lime for cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.